Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a professional looking resume in Overleaf without any hassle or needing advanced coding skills. Let's jump right into it. First, go to overleaf.com and log in or sign up if you don't have any account yet. It's free and easy to use. Second, once you're logged in, look at the top of the page and you'll see several tabs. Click on the one labeled Templates. This is where you'll find pre-made formats so that you can use for your resume. Third, no need to search anything yet. Just scroll down a bit until you find a category called CVs and Resumes. Click that and you'll see a collection of awesome templates to choose from. Fourth, browse through and pick the one you like the best. Personally, I'm choosing the Alta CV template. This one was created by Lian Zhe Lim, and it was last updated about 6 months ago. It's clean, modern, and easy to use. Fifth, click on Open as Template. Give it a moment to load, and then now you're inside the Overleaf editor. And this is where you'll be customizing your resume. Overleaf uses something called LaTeX, a coding language for formatting documents. Don't worry if you're not familiar with it. You can switch between the code editor and the visual editor, which makes things easier. Sixth, start personalizing your information, and then you'll see sections from your name, job title, contact info, email address, and much more. Let's say that I want to update the name to mine, like I'll go ahead and change it to Joshua Dave Pahayahai. You can go through each section and simply replace the existing text with your own, and then update your work experience, skills, education, and anything else that you want to highlight on your resume. Then, recompile to view the changes that you have made. And there you have it. That's how you can make a resume on Overleaf. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.